Hello guys, today we're going to talk about optimization. The problem is as follows. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 300 and whose product is a maximum. The first step is to write down equations describing the situation. Let's call it two numbers x and y, and we are told that the sum is 300. This is the constraint for the problem, or x plus y equals 300. We're being asked to maximize the product. Therefore, A equals x times y. The second step is that we now need to solve the constraint for x or y. It really doesn't matter which variable we solve for in this case, and then plug this into the product equation. Y equals 300 minus x, or A of x times 300 minus x, which then gives us 300x minus x squared. For the third step, we need to determine the critical points for this equation. The derivative of a is as follows. A prime of x is equal to 300 minus 2x. Therefore, x equals 150. For the fourth problem, we just need to do what we call a line test. Many deem this step as unnecessary. However, just because we get a single value, we just can't assume that this will give a maximum product. We need to do a quick check to see if this does give a maximum. There are several methods of doing this, but in this case, we can quickly see that a double prime of x equals negative 2. From this, it is evident that the second derivative is always negative, and so a of x will be concave down, and so the single critical point we got in the previous step must be a relative maximum, and hence must be the value that gives the maximum product. Our last and final product is to find y. We need to answer the question. For this, you simply plug in the value of x. Y is equal to 300 minus x, in this case 150, which we already found before. Afterwards, you subtract 150 from 300, and thus you get y. Y is equal to 150, and x is equal to 150. The final answer is here.